Hello everyone, welcome back to TrashBee. Today, we're exploring how each of us can take action to combat climate change. We'll discuss everyday actions to reduce our carbon footprint, share tips for sustainable living, and highlight the importance of community involvement. Let's get started. Everyday actions to reduce carbon footprint. First up, let's talk about some simple yet impactful everyday actions we can all take to reduce our carbon footprint. 1. Reduce energy consumption. Turn off lights and unplug devices when not in use. Switch to energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. 2. Use public transportation, bike, or walk. Reduce car use to cut down on emissions. Public transit, biking, and walking are great alternatives. 3. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Minimize waste by practicing the 3 Rs. Avoid single-use plastics and recycle whenever possible. 4. Eat a plant-based diet. Reducing meat consumption can significantly lower your carbon footprint. 5. Conserve water. Fix leaks, take shorter showers, and use water-efficient fixtures. Tips for sustainable living. Now, let's move on to some tips for sustainable living that can make a big difference. 1. Support sustainable brands. Choose products from companies committed to sustainability and ethical practices. 2. Grow your own food. Start a home garden to reduce the carbon footprint associated with food transportation. 3. Buy locally. Support local farmers and reduce the environmental impact of long-distance food transportation. 4. Use renewable energy. If possible, switch to renewable energy sources like solar or wind power for your home. 5. Upcycle and repair. Extend the life of items by repairing and upcycling instead of discarding them. Encouraging community involvement. Individual actions are powerful, but we can make an even bigger impact by getting our communities involved. 1. Organize cleanup events. Gather friends, family, and neighbors for local cleanup events to reduce litter and pollution. 2. Start a community garden. A shared garden can bring people together, promote local food production, and enhance green spaces. 3. Advocate for policy changes. Encourage local governments to implement sustainable policies, such as improved public transport and waste management systems. 4. Educational workshops. Host workshops and seminars to educate others about sustainable practices and climate change. 5. Support local environmental groups. Join or donate to local organizations that are working to combat climate change. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on sustainability and eco-friendly living.